Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Armanul Islam. I am currently studying at Daffodil International University. I am studying in Department of Textile Engineering. I passed my SSC from Joypurhat Sotortana High School with GPA 5, and then after I passed my HSC from Rajshahi Court College with GPA 4.13. My hometown Joypurhat, my current location Changao. My career object. My goal is to work in an innovative textile company that values sustainability, modern technology, and creativity. I want to contribute to developing eco-friendly textiles, improving production efficiency, and using smart manufacturing methods to make the textile industry cleaner and more advanced. From my school days, I have always enjoyed taking initiative and working with people. I organized many cultural events and I was proud to win a district level science fair, which encouraged my interest in creativity, design and technology. At university, I actively participate in various clubs and volunteer programs. I have volunteered at events like the Textile Carnival, the Family Day program organized by the Volunteer Club, and many other university activities. This experience have helped me build strong leadership, communication, and teamwork skills, while learning how to manage time and work with diverse people. I have also attended seminars such as the Textile Sustainability and Innovation Summit, where I learned about the latest technologies like smart fabrics, digital textile printing, and eco-friendly dyeing methods. These topics really inspire me because I believe the future of textile depends on innovation and sustainability working together. Now I had like to share some of my skills in terms of computer skills. I am comfortable using Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, which I often use for project reports, data analysis and presentations. My soft skills include communication, leadership, problem solving and teamwork. I am also quick to adopt and always open to learning new things. In the long run, I hope to become a professional who not only contributes in company success but also helps progress our environment and supports to their goal of Bangladesh textile sector global production. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am actually excited to bring my creativity and dedication to the world of textile engineering. Thank you.